Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't seen me in a while, it's because I've been traveling. I had to go back to the States to do a federal background check to prove that I'm a citizen. I'm from Baltimore originally, but I currently live in Colombia, so I had to go back to the States to get that background check. I was gone for about 6 weeks. While I was there, I got a chance to make some physical labor money too, which was a plus. An investor reached out to me for a contract that actually paid really well. So I'm back at it, working on a lot of projects online. As you can see with this channel, I've got to get back into it. Let me know what you guys want to see as far as content, music, whatever direction you want this channel to go, okay? I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the vidIQ extension since a lot of people ask how I track my video stats. I use vidIQ, it's right here, and it shows a lot of stats for YouTube channels. I actually pay for the subscription, but I'll leave a link so you guys can grab it too. Another thing about this channel, it's not monetized at all. I did hit 1,000 subscribers. If you go to Customize Channel, then Analytics, then down to Earn, you can see I haven't met the qualified watch time yet. I need 4,000 hours to get this channel monetized. So if you guys can help a girl out, that'd be great. Honestly, YouTube is a daunting task because you've got to create a lot of content and find your audience. A lot of my videos don't get many views at all. I need a better posting schedule and better ideas for what you guys want to see. I'm also working on Facebook, building out multiple pages that I'll show you guys later if you're interested. Let me pull up content. This is the latest stuff I've been creating on this page. And here's inspiration, YouTube's own tab that's supposed to suggest what your viewers want to see, though, honestly, none of these ideas are great, so let me skip past that. But we're back. I'm creating more videos for you guys, showing you my dashboard and what I've been building on this channel. My objective right now is to get it monetized. I've still been making some affiliate commissions through Pay Kickstart. Let me pull that up, just accepting some terms and a verification code here, standard security stuff. So yeah, my commissions on this particular software have basically dried up. When I look at this year, I've only made about 4 commissions. But last year, I was making commissions constantly with this same software. I guess I can't really say it dried up since it's still good software people love. I just stopped promoting it as much. I was also making commissions with another tool, Artistry Talking Photos. That's actually the one I use for my avatar on this channel. I leave all my links in the description for every tool I use because I genuinely love what they let me create. People ask me about these AI tools a lot, and I consider myself kind of the go-to for that. I get a lot of sponsorship requests from companies wanting me to promote or review their products, and that's helped me create even more content. Now here's something wild. I have another channel that was monetized, then demonetized, then monetized again, all off one video that took off. Let me pull up the dashboard for that one. It was recently demonetized again on April 17th. Then on July 27th, it got accepted again, and literally 2 weeks later, on August 17th, it was demonetized again. No longer eligible for monetization. That makes no sense. I started this channel about 6 months ago, and it actually got monetized in just 23 days. Looking at lifetime earnings, I only made about $1,000 total off that channel. Once it got demonetized, I honestly stopped posting. Like, why put in the work if you can't get paid? We're doing this to make money with AI content, and when that's taken away, it kind of kills the motivation. vidIQ flagged it too. No claims listed, but under Earn, it says something like unsatisfied or off-putting content, which could mean anything. Instead of just pausing a video's monetization, YouTube fully demonetizes the whole channel. It honestly makes me want to just shut everything down and say forget it. But I've got a better idea for that channel. I'm gonna lean into it and go a totally different direction with the content. That channel was a fully AI-generated entertainment channel anyway, so no point stressing over it. I'll shut it down and start fresh with something new. New channel, new content, new approach. But my main focus right now is getting this channel monetized. So I need you guys to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment letting me know what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.